Sairam, dear children of class 5th, welcome to today's maths class. Let us start today's class by chanting Omkar 3 times. All of you join your hands. Om. 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 Hi children. I hope all of you are fit and fine and happy at home. Okay, today we are going to discuss about secret numbers and some interesting number patterns. So let us start with the book today. I'm going to show you the book. Yes, I have presented the book page in front of you. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am. Secret numbers.
Yes, the heading itself is secret numbers. Let us find out some secret numbers by using some clues. Banno and Binod were playing a guessing game by writing clues about a secret number. Each tried to guess the other secret number from the clues. This type of game you can at home, you can prepare and play with your brother or sister and even with your parents. Okay, let us discuss first. Let us learn it first. Okay, can you guess their secret numbers? See, this shown in this purple color sheet, these are the clues. And using these clues, we have to find out the secret number. Okay, let us go to the first one. It is larger than half of 100. This is the first clue. That means our secret number is larger than half of 100. So first of all, we have to think what is half of 100. Half of 100 is 50. And it is larger than half of 100 means it is a number. Our secret number is a number more than 50. So we don't have to think about any number less than 50. Anyway, our answer will be more than 50. That first clue says. Then let us go to the second clue. It is means that number is more than 6 tens. You know what is 6 tens? 6 tens means 60 and less than 7 tens. Now 60 and 70. That means this number is between 60 and 70. Between it is more than 6 tens, 60. 60 and it is less than 7 tens means 70. That means this number is between somewhere between 60 and 70. Now, when you got this clue, we are more closer to the answer. We know our answer is 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69 is in this one of the number. So we have to go still nearer to the answer. Let us read the third clue. The tens digit in that number is one more than the ones digit. That means the number which is from 61 to 69, its tens digit is one more than the ones digit. That means if ones digit is dash, tens digit will be that number plus 1. Next, okay. So let us try from 61. 61 means ones digit is 1, tens digit is 6. It is 5 more than. So when you go through the series, you can see that a number 65. 65 ones digit is 5, tens digit is 6. That means tens digit is 1 more than the ones digit. So you got a rough idea about the answer. Suppose the answer is 65. Let us confirm the answer with the last clue. Together the digits have a sum of 11. So let us try whether our answer is following this rule also. Our answer is 65. That is our guess. Okay. Then 6 plus 5. What is 6 plus 5? Sum of the digits. 6 plus 5 is 11. You got sum of the digit also 11. So what is the number? So finally, what is that secret number? What will you write here? What is the secret number? 65. 65. Very good. Did you get some idea? Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Now we will go to another question. It is means the number, the secret number is smaller than half of 100. This time our secret number is less than half of 100. Means smaller than means less than, half of 100 means 50. That means our answer is somewhere below 50. So we don't have to think about any number above 50. Okay. Now it is second clue. It is more than 4 tens. That means our number is more than 4 tens. That means 40, and less than 5 tens. That means 50. That means our number is between 40 and 50. That means 41, 42, 43, like that up to 49. Okay. Now we are still closer to the answer. Now we can go further closer to the answer by reading this. The tens digit is 2 more than the ones digit. That means whatever is the ones digit, that plus 2 is the tens digit. So 41, 1 is the ones digit, 1 plus 3 is 4. What about 42? 4, 2. 2 is the ones digit. 2 plus 2, 2 more than ones digit is the tens digit. So you got the answer, a rough idea about the answer, 42. Is it correct, children? Now let us confirm the answer with the last. Together, that means ones digit plus tens digit, we have a sum of 6. We will get a sum of 6. So 2 plus 4, 42 is sum is also 6. So what is the secret number? What will you write here? The secret number is
42.
nothing but 42. Okay. Now children, think, can you make some questions of this step and give it to your brother or sister to solve? Just like these children are playing. By
Yes,
chance,
ma'am.
by chance, you can play. Okay. Write a set of clues for a secret number of your own. So the book says you also make similar type of secret number questions. Then give it to a friend or your brother, sister, parents, etc. to guess your secret number. Okay? Got it or not? Yes. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
we can discuss some more questions from the worksheet now. Okay, let me go from here and let me take the worksheet. Okay. Can you see the worksheet? Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Find secret number.
Secret number. Okay. And these questions I have prepared for you. And after discussing these, you can prepare your questions also. Okay. So I shall give you the clues. You have to find out the numbers. Okay. Use the clues given and get secret number. So your secret number is larger than half of 100. That means your number is more than 50. So you don't have to think about less than 50 numbers. Okay. Then second clue says it is more than 7 tens and less than 8 tens. That means your secret number is 7 tens 70 and 8 tens 80 in between. That means 70 and 80. In between 70 and 80, it is there. Your number is there. 71, 72, 73, like that till 79. From this, any one number will be your answer. Then let us move.
Excuse me, ma'am. Sound is not coming.
Three, seven,
Ma'am, sound is not
more.
Ma'am, excuse
Sound
me.
is coming.
You
Yes.
start, ma'am. You start from the third clue. The sound was not coming.
Third clue.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it is okay.
Yes, ma'am. Continue, ma'am.
Okay. So Okay, third clue is this. I shall read again. If
Yes, ma'am.
tens digit is 2 more than its ones digit. Okay, so from 71 to 79, if you check, you can see 75. There, 5 plus 2 is 7. So let us consider that our answer is 75. Now let us move to the last clue to finalize. Sum of its two digits equals 12. So if suppose your answer is 75, 7 plus 5 is 12. So what is the secret number? Our secret number is nothing but it is 75. Our secret number is 75. Did you get it? Okay. Now we
Yes,
are going.
ma'am.
Now your sound is clear. Okay. Now next question. It is small. Next secret number clues. It is smaller than half of 100. That means your number is less than 50. Half of 100 is 50. Less than 50. It is between 2 tens and 3 tens. That means it is between 20 and 30. 21, 22, 23 up to 29. Then here there is a different clue. It is a multiple of 7. That means you have to check the multiples of 7 between 20 and 30. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. Only two multiples are there between 20 and 30. They are 21 and 28. Now you have to find out 21 is correct answer or 28 is correct answer. So for that, let us go to the next clue. Difference between the digits is 6. So 21, difference between the digit is 1. So but 28, difference between the digits is 6. Okay, so finally what is your answer then? 21 or 28? What is the secret number? The secret number is 28. Got it? Now one more question. Okay, shall we do it? Okay, children. Okay, it is
Yes,
greater
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
than 6 into 5 and less than 12 into 5. That means our number is more than 6 into 5 means 30 and less than 12 into 5 means 60. Our number is between 30 and 60. So many numbers are there. Okay. Then it is a multiple of 10. Our number is a multiple of 10 and it is a multiple of 5 also. Okay. We know the divisibility test and all. We have the idea. Then let us go to the next clue. Difference between the digits is 5. And let us go to the next clue. Sum of the digits is also 5. So which is such a number where difference between the digit is also 5. Sum of the digit is also 5. It is very easy to find out what is that number. And that number should be a multiple of 5 also. 10 also, children. What is that number? In which sum of the number digits is also 5. Difference of the digits is also 5. It is a very familiar number. What is it? 50. Okay, see 50? 50, sum of the digits is 5. Difference is also 5. 50 is a multiple of 5 also. Multiple of 10 also. It is a number between 30 and 60 also. Okay, enjoyed? Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am.
this type of questions you can make and play with your parents in the free time. Now some more number patterns. Okay, this we have discussed yesterday in the book, but it is very, very important. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 means 2 into 2 equal to 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5, first 3 odd numbers. 3 into 3 equal to 9. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 4 into 4, 16. And these 3 lines you have to fill up. Okay, children, it is already discussed in the book yesterday. So I am not giving you the answer. You can do it yourself. Okay, then next one, a new pattern, a very important pattern, and you will come across this pattern even class 8. Okay, so it is very important. 1 into 1 is 1. 11 into 11 is 121. See here one digit is increased. 1 digit is increased. when there are 2 digits, this pattern goes to 1, 2, then back 1. Got it? Then let us discuss the third line. Here 2 ones are there. Here one more 1 is increased. Here one more 1 is increased. Then now this is a 3-digit number. Then this number increased to 1, 2, 3. And after 3, we are going back. 2, 1. Got children? Now let us check the next line. 1, 1, 1, 1. One more 1 is increased. Now it has become a 4-digit number. Same number here. So when it is 4-digit number, 1, 2, 3, 4. After 4, we are going back. 1, 2, sorry. After 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Then back. 3, 2, 1. Now we will discuss it, but you can write it. Okay. My sound is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next line, how many 1 will be there? 5 1 will be there.
5.
Into again same 5 ones. 1 1 1 1 1. Then when it is a 5-digit number, this number will go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now return 4, 3, 2, 1. Got it? Now can
Yes,
you write the
ma'am.
next 2 lines?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You can write the next 2 lines yourself, but the same will be repeated in tomorrow's class also. Then you will understand it more. Okay, children? Okay. Enjoy today's class. Okay.
Yes,
Then, now let us stop today's class by chanting Shanti Part. Okay. Join your hands. Om Shanti Shanti. Okay, children, we'll meet tomorrow in the next video. Okay, bye.